The main character, Chris, and the Sutherlands are driving at night. Honk honk. Oh no, there's a car coming. Everyone almost died. After Sylvia gets over her shock, the no-name but mysterious main character, we'll call him Z, thinks about the inadequacies of the scientific method. Much like all of his thoughts, it drones on. As they ascend into the mountains, they stay at a hotel, and the next day, they drive towards a university in Bozeman. Our narrator is still thinking about the same subject, and he states that the purpose of the scientific method is to select a single truth from among many hypothetical truths. But historically, science has done exactly the opposite. Evidently, science is unable to fully understand the world or the things in it. As we get more into the book, you'll find that Z is constantly trying to make sense of things, and in doing this, he keeps getting deeper and deeper into this pit of insanity. Plot-wise, we continue south through Yellowstone Park. Z thinks about substance and how it is entirely within our minds, meaning we learn through our senses, but without it, what do we know? He implies that life is not as meaningful without some type of logic applied to it. Eventually, we are introduced to Phaedrus' old colleague, John Dewey, and bunk at his house for a few days. Later, they exit Gardner Town and stay at a cabin-like motel. The following day, they finally visit the university in Bozeman, and Z feels tense about it. Subconsciously, he wants the past to stay in the past, just like old yearbook photos, but going back to a place of his memories reminds him of the person he used to be. Is he Phaedrus? Soon enough, the Sutherlands have to return home. They disappear off of the face of the book after this. They're never mentioned again. He then talks about how technology, in some ways, is both square and romantic. Sometimes it's seen as a machine that's composed of ones and zeros, but like Phaedrus, we must try to see beyond the surface level. After some time, a woman, supposedly an old student of Z, recognizes him, but he doesn't recognize her. In the final part of the section, Z and Chris are climbing a mountain. Every now and then, Chris dishes out some complaint. Just normal 11-year-old problems like, I'm tired, I hate this, and, oh wait, I forgot, my stomach hurts. Which at this point in the book, you probably feel the same.